Hey guys, this is Ro and I'm reviewing my cat, Minnie. Hello, Minnie. Leave a comment below and subscribe and yeah. Go check out Amber and Billy, they're pretty cool. Daddy and all those kind of stuff. And yeah. Peace and I hope you enjoy. Okay, the back guys, just do something. Ow. You can't see her because we're in the dark. Meow, meow, meow. Ow, she's still a kitten. She is probably about 6'4". Ow! Something like that, 5 weeks old. No, months. Something like months. She's not even 1 now, but she is really big. Oh! This is so much fun. See, you can see her face. And if you're not wondering who I am, then go check out these videos and stuff. Remember, there might be me in it. You'll see me all in the description. And if you're wondering my favourite YouTuber is Smelly, go check that out. Awesome. Yes. And Nyla and stuff, go check them out. Oh, and guys, sorry guys, I hope you like this video and peace, subscribe, comment, and yeah, hope you like this video.